everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the adding the new contact into the CRM, and by the end you will have all the insights you need to see the usage of adding contact in the CRM. So grab a seat, hit that like button and let's get started. So you can add the contact to the CRM in the three different ways. The first way is you just need to click on the CRM. In the customer, you have the option of contacts, and by clicking on create button, here you can add the contacts for the particular client. So this is how you can add the contact normally over here. The second way is you just need to go to the CRM again, and in the CRM we have the customer option. In customer, at this time you just need to go to the company section. So when you click on the particular company, in that create we have the option of creating contact. So from the company also, here we have the option of creating contact. So this is the second way of creating contact for the particular company. Also we have the another option of creating contact into the Bitrix24. So we can create the contact with the help of the lead or the deal. In the particular lead or deal, when we create the lead, so that time we have the option of client. So in that client we have the option of creating contact. So once you click on the name, you just need to write the phone number and the email id along with the address. So you can create the contact from the particular lead or deal entity also. So this is how you can create the contact in Bitrix24 CRM in the three different ways. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.